friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's DIY, I'm going to create a detachable, reusable and multi-purpose Golu steps using PVC pipes and PVC pipe connectors. This stand is reusable, detachable and multi-purpose. Please check video description for product links that I have used to make this DIY. You can create these Golu steps in different sizes based on your requirement. I am creating these Golu steps and cutting the pipes based on these wooden panels that I have at home. Make sure you are cutting the pipes as per your required size to make these Golu steps. To cut the PVC pipes, you can use a handsaw or you can use a PVC pipe cutter. To make these Golu steps, we need pipes in different sizes. So to cut these PVC pipes using handsaw might get tough. To cut the pipes in different sizes, I would recommend using the PVC pipe cutter, where you can cut all these pipes in different sizes in less than 10 minutes. If you don't want to buy this cutter, here is a tip. Make sure you mark the pipes that you want to cut and take them to Home Depot, and at Home Depot they have these PVC pipe cutter available for you to use, and you can cut all the pipes at the store using the PVC pipe cutter available at Home Depot. Here is a tip to use the PVC pipe cutter. Make sure you mark the PVC pipe before cutting it. Now place the pipe in this section. There are two pointers on these pipe cutter. Wherever you have marked the PVC pipe, make sure it falls in between these two points. And then slowly place the connector. You can hear the tick tick noise. And then when it becomes tight, make sure your line and these two points are aligned and cut out the pipe. That's it. It's very easy to cut the pipes using these cutters. You can cut these PVC pipes in different sizes using this cutter in less than 10 minutes to create the Golu steps. To make the step, first I am using the 45 inches pipe, attaching the three-way connectors to the corners. I am attaching the 8-inch PVC pipe. I am attaching 8-inch PVC pipes to the corners. To these corners, I am using T-shaped PVC pipe connectors. I am attaching two 8-inch PVC pipes, one to the bottom and one to the top. Here, the first step is ready. I'm gonna continue and make other 3 steps. Here, the PVC pipe Golu step stand is ready in less than 5 minutes, I guess. I have these 9 by 48 inch wood pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. These are welcome signs that are available at Hobby Lobby. I would recommend checking their clearance section. I got these wood signs for 90% off from Hobby Lobby this summer clearance. Every season these wood signs are different. They come up for summer, spring, winter. You can always find these wood signs in the clearance section. If you cannot find these wood signs, you can absolutely get some wood cutouts from Home Depot as per your size needs and create this beautiful Golu steps. Now on these PVC pipe steps, I'm gonna arrange these wood signs. You can set up these Golu steps in less than 5 minutes, and you can cover these up with some fabric or some mats, and it will look beautiful. And later you can arrange all the idols that you want to set up for Golu and it would look beautiful. I'm just using some mats to decorate these Golu steps. I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful, detachable and multi-purpose Golu steps using PVC pipes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching. Here's a shopping tip. If you're planning to buy these wooden panels, I would recommend check out Hobby Lobby clearance section. Every season, Hobby Lobby has a seasonal clearance section which is 90% off of the regular priced item. These wood panels and name signs are available every season and they go on clearance because they have a lot of these wood panels. I would recommend if you're planning to buy these wood panels, check out Hobby Lobby clearance section and you can find these wood panels for lowest price possible. Options that you can reuse these pipes to create decorations at home. You can create backdrop stands and you can create detachable mandir for any occasion. Please check out these examples.